Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today we're at Masicka, yeah, man, genocide boss. Yes, with trophies. On the music video just dropped. I don't feel too well, but I did have to find the energy to follow out there. So quick and fast. You know? So I could jump in that one and see disclaimer, I will be pausing a lot. Because I need to get paid. Yes. If you have a problem with me getting paid, you're broke. Yeah. Alright, let's go. So if you have a problem with me getting paid, that means you're broke. You don't like get paid. Suck yourself. Bye. Trophies, let's go.
Someday I'ma look at these trophies. Tell my kids must.
I'm son that. I'm son this, right? This have to be in son. Anyway, Billboard, we are breaking down. So if you don't want the full song, on the government page. Yeah. So we see a lot of accolades here, lots of billboards. We see YouTube, million. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my Bomba Clan channel now! Yeah! I'm trying to get there. Yeah! But we need the silver one first. Yeah. Subscribe to my channel now. No boosters. All right. So we see lots of accolades here. Big words, accolades. All right. Let's go. Let's continue.
Someday I'ma write my name across the world. Please don't worry. Someday I'ma find my peace.
Ooh, who produced this? Wait, who produced this? This is a singing Masicka. This is a singing nigga. We don't see who produced it. Producer, big up yourself.
Someday outside these streets, something inside keep telling me that someday I'ma find my way.
Bomboclat. Redeem. Positivity, that the boss a preach. Someday, he might go paint him name all around this world. So what I mean when him say that, it means that everybody in this world I gonna know him. Or I gonna know him sang them. I that the G that you are on your way.
Church, you cover me, I pray. Blessing them if you know like way. So the lesson I gonna up me solid my mind straight.
Yo, Masicka for them always clean. Masicka for them always clean, brother. We see the album cover them as well. 2 classics album in a dancehall. We are waiting for the next one.
Find my way, and I fall on the sky, my girl. For me, you would survive the night. Enough time to risk my life the night.
For me, you'd survive in the night. Enough time, me risk my life in a day. Blood. The boss make you know so yo, he want to do it for him youth them. He want to do it for the next generation falling up. What?
Jamaica's worst gamer.
That's how I talk about me G. Big push back up, let's go.
Someday I'ma look at these trophies. Tell my kids my story.
Look at that, bro. Look at the who would have thought Masicka would have worked his way all the way up to these accolades, bro? Like the G is an inspiration, dog. Hate him or love him, just know that the G is an inspiration to get the youth out there, bro. Honestly.
Someday I'ma write my name across the world. Please don't worry. Someday I'ma find my peace. Someday outside these streets.
Yeah, man. Someday I'm gonna find my peace outside of these streets. But for right now, in the streets, that we are looking for go cook it. Yeah.
Something inside keep telling me that someday I'ma find my. Me get a clip on me.
Oh my God, who is that? Grandma, I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you a Gans in a deal it.
No for them I switch and me notice. Man a profit like a Moses, show them love and a God. Hey, better keep with the roses. No.
Yo, honestly, my best friend and my grandmother. My best friend and my grandmother. Like, if I never for my grandmother, me wouldn't reach where me reach right now. Honestly. If it wasn't for my grandmother, me wouldn't reach. So me can relate to this, bro. I swear.
Forgiveness, the rest the clock on them nose
Land them man. Who my rest there? Who fuck? Where?
No forgiveness, arrest the Glock on them nose bridge.
No forgiveness, rush the Glock on them nose bridge. Chip Glock. Or rest of everything.
People are talking about them a fortress. Oh, me do me kill them with more hits. One.
Yeah, man. So when I'm out there talk, what me do? Make more hits. So we see one little billboard thing you saw go up here now. So this what he was gallifesting. No, wife in the manifest. Holy.
Someday I'ma look at these trophies.
Lily Sika, let me read this. Top album. Lily Sika. Billboard. Lily Sika. Big artist. #1. Papa Class. What? Yes, yo.
Tell my kids my story. Someday I'ma write my name across the world. Please don't worry.
Yo, it's like him gone back in time. Granny can remember them little thing what him used to do, you know. Remember him, him just go check Granny for sure the real thing, you know. So Granny can remember them the little thing what the G used to do in the yard, you know. You see me? Yeah? Yes, man.
Someday I'ma find my peace. Someday outside these streets. Something inside keep telling me that. Someday I'ma find my...
Yo, let me ask you that question. One of the things that Masicka is in the running for Artist of the Year? Do you guys think Masicka is in the... Mind you now, the amount of track with the G drop, the amount of work with the G put in, plus album. One of the things say, Artist of the Year? What want to say? I mean, I want to buy us out the thing, brother. The music we are talking about.
Father, God, I beg you to please. Something inside these streets keep hunting like I need sleep.
Oh, Claude, me can feel everything with the G I say, bro. Me can feel everything with Sika say, bro. Have a salute to G, bro.
Hurting inside the team. Working
Grammy, Lily Sika, Grammy. Bumbo class. You might have the Grammy on the tree there, brother.
like I need sleep. Hurting inside the team.
Watch it. The boss have the Grammy on the tree. And the talker phone is chopping like... Yo, the boss are make it happen, bro. And songbook in a hand with pen. Fuck.
Working in time you see it. What you learn before you back creep. Everything a blessing but I can't see.
Yeah, man, everything a blessing, but them can't see it. Sometimes some things happen to you in life and you see, oh, this happened to me. Just know it's a blessing, because something bad could have happened, something worse could have happened if you did go further down the road. Just know it's a blessing. Give thanks for your blessing. Give thanks for your blessing.
Someday I'ma look at these.
I'm gonna say I can read the lyrics. I'm say I can read the lyrics, yeah. If me do it again, it's a go. When me step in a place of my shop. What? Masicka. The first part I sang, I don't know. I couldn't read it.
Someday I'ma look at these trophies. Tell my kids my story. Someday I'ma write my name across the world. Please don't.
Look the brother. Album, #1 album. Apple Music. Look at all them country, brother. Brother, the whole Caribbean take off in the dog.
Don't worry, don't you think? Someday I'ma find my peace. Something outside these streets. Something inside keep telling me that.
Yo, get to you. Don't believe, brother. Don't believe. Like me say, if you don't want to hear the full song with no interruptions, wanna go over my page. Yeah, go over my page.
Someday I'ma find my light at the end of the tunnel. My life never start off so well. Finish.
My light at the end of the tunnel. My life never start off so well. So the boss will tell you, say, yo, him come from a poor beginnings. Just like most of us get to youth. Poor beginnings. You see me?
She fight, we can't throw in the towel. No fear the valley and the dog and oil. No tool.
What him say?
Finish the fight, we can't throw in the towel.
I didn't fight, not throwing the towel, and then he say something after that.
No fear the valley and the dog and oil. No tool rock if you walk, Lord, me going.
Yo. This is the next banger, bro.
Me up if it talk a sun so big. Me chain tapping it off, my wrist flooded.
My chain tapping it off, my wrist flooded. I see.
One day I'ma look at these trophies. Tell my kids my story. One day.
Just imagine the G as a grandfather sit down for him wife will sit down. Just imagine the G as a grandfather a bill back pan for the bill back. Just imagine the G. Just imagine the G in them older days. I relax. And I tell him grandkids them about him stories and things. Bro. But it's all been documented. So right now, if they have to tell him the story, them can go search it and find it.
I'ma write my name across the world. Please don't worry. One day I'ma find my peace. One day outside these streets. So
Yo, just know some Masicka great, brother. Who no like a DJ, who no bad man, bro. Why? Who no like a DJ from then till now, who no bad man, bro.
something inside keep telling me that one day I'ma find my way.
Yeah, man. Little Sicka. Me will want to read him songbook, though. When me step, something. Yo, me really want to read him songbook, you know. When me step in... Move your hand, brother. When me step in, I play something. You know, I catch it good. No or never. Big up on yourself. Ropey them. So who produce it? A Masicka production, man. One side. Okay. It's a one-side production. All right. Like me say, enough pause was forwarding. So if you don't want to hear the full song, I'm going to go listen to it. That I'm going to do right now. You see me? Because at the first, I listen to it. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section when we say artist of the year. What want to say about that? You see me? Remember say over here, so we're not pick side, you know, dog. And music we say, no, bro. You see me? Yeah. So let me know in the comment section what you say if he's in runnings for artist of the year. And if yes, OS is also in that running. It will be great. Another great song, another great video by Sicka. Big up yourself, G. You're constantly giving us these hits after hits after hits after hits. Hits on top of hits. Hits on top of hits. Big up yourself, G. Yes. I'm going to leave the one right just still. So click on any one of them to ya. Forget a Masicka next reaction. All right? I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.